Hi and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how you can fix D3D11 compatible GPU is required error in your Windows. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss an important solution, information that I am going to show you or tell you in this video. So without further ado, let's get on it. So the first solution that you can do is to check the game requirements. So while people who play games tend to purchase pricey hardware, not everyone is so lucky. So plenty of users run older configurations for one reason or another, and that is when running the most modern games might become a problem. So if you're running a lower computer specs and receive the 3 D311 D3D11 compatible GPU is required error while trying to launch the game, you should definitely check the minimum requirements or minimum system requirements for it. So you can usually find this information on the official website of the game. And then next, what you can do is to check if your GPU supports Direct 3D. So even if your system supports the minimum requirements, your graphics card may lack some supports options, which is Direct 3D to be more precise. So to check this, follow the steps right here. So first open Windows and then search DXDiag or DXDIAG and then just press enter and select the display tab in the DirectX diagnostic tool, and then just take a look at the drivers section. So 3D should be listed in there. And if not, it might be that it is simply not installed. So DirectX has been implemented into Windows Update Delivery for a while now. So if you haven't updated your system, try doing that. So to do that, just type updates in your Windows and then just search and hit enter and click for check for updates. So right here, as you can see in the picture, so make sure all of the optional available updates are installed. It is very important. So once done, restart your PC and try playing the game again. So you can also try downloading and installing legacy DirectX SDK components, although this is only applicable to some older games and won't work on newer ones. And if it still doesn't launch and DirectX doesn't show up in the DirectX diagnostic tool window, you need to upgrade your GPU. And then lastly, what you can do is try relaunching with D, D3 and D11 enabled Steam. So to do that, in your Steam. So if you're using a Steam, you go ahead and follow the steps. So first open your Steam and right click onto the game and that's not launching. And then select the properties, and on the right side of the window, you should see the launch options section. So in there or in here, type the D3D11 and then try launching the game again. And then here for the Epic Games, so open the Epic Games app, and then in the top right corner, click on to your profile picture and then click on to the settings. So right here, as you can see in the picture, and then scroll down to find the game in question and just click it. So click additional command line arguments and then just enter D3D11 into the field. So that's it for this video, and I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and click notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.